I just love how true that saying is. Same old thinking, same old results. I'm sitting with the CEO and the head of HR of a massive international company the other day, speaking about one of their GMs and the kind of, how can we put this, the intervention they need in that GM's life, all right? So we're talking about what can be done in his specific situation. But at some stage, I had to ask him, like, where did you find this guy and why did you appoint him? Clearly, he's not a great fit for this company. And so I tried to understand their recruitment process, and they've got a beautiful, glamorous recruitment process. I mean, the way they design their ads, and then they actually take that ad to a recruitment company that then go and headhunt people, and then they have this beautiful interviewing process, and then they do psychometric testing, and every now and then I had to stop them and just say, why are you doing that? Why are you using this psychometric test? And they would have an answer for everything. You can see that they were thinking about this, right? And so they would tell me, like, doctor, professor, industrial psychologist, PhD in recruitment said that this psychometric test. And I said, you know what? At the end, you just have to answer one question. I don't care if an angel from heaven came down and said, this is the process you need to follow. You just need to answer this one question. Is it working for you? If you follow this process, are you finding the best fit for your company and can you retain them? That's the only question that you need to answer. And if the answer is no, it is time to rethink the process. It's time to relook at how do we recruit people and to really break out of the same old thinking, same old results mold of ours. Just because that company is doing it a specific way and just because we heard that worked well for that company doesn't mean it's going to work well for us. We need to be creative and invent a process that will work for us. And maybe it won't be as glamorous as another company or as beautifully designed as another company, but it will give you the results that you're looking for. And it should go through from the time that we open our mouth until the contract is signed. That whole process we would need to rethink. Often I will be in a company and they talk about the conflict in this department and the leadership issues there, and you know what, and then I will look at the ads that they put out, the recruitment ads, and they talk about the family culture that we have and taking care of each other, and I'm just like, this is not that. So maybe the starting point for your recruitment process will be to stop with the ads that you put out there. So maybe it's not going to look as glamorous as other people, but you will find the right people. So there's only one question to answer, and that is, does our recruitment process find the best fit for our company and can we retain them? And if the answer is no, it is time to rethink the process.